GAT Flow allows admins to take multiple actions to manage file access. One of the options available is to remove all files and folders shared with specific users in bulk. The admin can select a user or multiple users and remove all the files that the users have access to, including as a viewer, commenter, editor, manager, or content manager. In this GAT Labs video, we'll show you how. To begin, navigate to the Create Workflow area of GAT Flow. Now name your workflow. For example, remove all files and folders shared with user X. Make sure the workflow type is set to modify, and when ready, click Next. Now search for the users, group, or OU that you would like to apply this workflow to. I'll search for one user and add them. Once added, click Proceed to Actions. In the new window, click the box on the left to add an action. From the list of actions, find Remove User Access to Files and Folders. For the scopes, you can select Viewer, Commenter, Editor, Manager, and Content Manager. I'll select them all to remove the user's access to all folders and files, including shared drives, that were shared with the given scopes. When ready, click on Send Approval Request. Once your domain's GAT Unlock security officer has approved the request, the workflow will run and the user's access will be removed. You can view the status of your workflow in the Workflow area. That covers this GAT Flow how-to. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this GAT Labs video, please like and subscribe and ring the bell for regular updates. You can also get a free 15-day trial of GAT Plus by following the link in the description.